Have you ever wondered what the pole star is? Imagine a celestial body, steadfast and unyielding, a beacon to travelers for ages, and a fascinating subject in the field of astronomy. This star, often referred to as the North Star, has been a pivotal point of reference, guiding navigators across vast oceans and endless deserts. Its unwavering position has intrigued astronomers, sparking countless studies and discussions. Well, today, you are going to discover the secrets of the pole star. First things first, what exactly is the pole star? Well, let's embark on this celestial journey to uncover the mystery of the pole star. The pole star, also known as Polaris or the North Star, is a bright beacon in our night sky, but its significance goes beyond its luminosity. You see, the pole star holds a unique position in our sky. It's conveniently located almost directly above the Earth's North Pole. Now, imagine the Earth as a giant spinning top. The axis around which the Earth spins, if extended into the sky, points right towards this star. That's what makes it the pole star. It's a cosmic signpost, a steady point of reference that remains fixed while the rest of the stars appear to circle around it. Polaris isn't just any ordinary star, it's a supergiant star. It's over 40 times the size of our sun and approximately 430 light-years away from us. Despite this vast distance, Polaris manages to shine brightly enough to catch our eye, standing out amidst the multitude of stars in the night sky. Now, the term pole star might suggest that there's only one, but that's not quite the case. Polaris is the current North Pole star, but this title is passed down through generations of stars. As the Earth's axis wobbles over a period of approximately 26,000 years, different stars take up the mantle of the pole star. However, for the past few centuries and for a few more to come, Polaris holds this celestial throne. It's our reliable guide through the night, a constant companion for those navigating the dark. So when you gaze up at the night sky, know that you're not just looking at a bright star, but a cosmic lighthouse guiding us through the vast ocean of space. Now that you know what the pole star is, let's delve deeper into its significance. The pole star has always held a special place in our sky and our history. It's more than just a celestial body, it's a beacon and a guide, a constant in the ever-shifting canvas of the night sky. Historically, the pole star has been a friend to explorers and sailors. Its unique position directly above the North Pole makes it appear almost stationary in the sky, while other stars seem to rotate around it. This steady presence has made it a reliable navigational tool. Imagine being an ancient mariner navigating the vast open ocean with nothing more than a sextant and the stars. The pole star was the reference point, the anchor in the sky that helped them find their way home. But the pole star hasn't just guided sailors, it's also been a significant landmark for land explorers. Picture a caravan of travelers crossing the sandy expanses of a desert or the icy tundra of the Arctic. With no landmarks in sight, the pole star served as their compass, guiding them safely through their journeys. Fast forward to the present day, the pole star hasn't lost its relevance. It's a crucial tool for astrophotography, providing a fixed point around which photographers can capture star trails and other celestial phenomena. It helps them create those stunning images of the night sky that leave us in awe. In the realm of astronomy, the pole star continues to serve as a point of reference. It helps astronomers orient their telescopes and track the movement of other celestial bodies. It's also a favorite among stargazers, a familiar sight that's easy to locate, making it a perfect starting point for stargazing sessions. The pole star, as you can see, has been a reliable guide throughout the ages. It's been a compass for explorers, a muse for photographers, and a steadfast guide for astronomers. Its significance is etched not only in the stars but also in the annals of our history. It's a testament to the timeless allure of the night sky, a symbol of our age-old fascination with the cosmos. The pole star doesn't shine alone in the sky. It's a celestial superstar, yes, but it's also part of a larger ensemble that's equally fascinating. The pole star, also known as Polaris, is part of a constellation called Ursa Minor, or the Little Dipper. This constellation is a collection of 7 stars that form a shape resembling a ladle or a dipper. The pole star is the jewel at the end of the handle, always holding a steady position in our night sky. Now let's talk about the Big Dipper, a part of the Ursa Major constellation. This is where the relationship between the pole star and the Big Dipper comes into play. The Big Dipper is, as the name suggests, a larger version of the Little Dipper. It's one of the most recognizable constellations, especially in the northern hemisphere. The 2 stars on the outer edge of the Big Dipper's bowl, called the pointer stars, are the key to finding Polaris. Draw an imaginary line connecting these two stars and extend it upwards. It'll lead you straight to the pole star. The Big Dipper and the pole star share a celestial dance in the sky. As the Earth spins on its axis, the Big Dipper rotates around the pole star. Throughout the night you can see the Big Dipper in different positions but always in the vicinity of Polaris. This is because Polaris is located nearly directly above the Earth's North Pole. So while other stars appear to move across the night sky, Polaris remains fixed, a trustworthy beacon in the night. And there you have it, a brief tour of the cosmic neighborhood of the pole star. It's amazing how these celestial bodies, light years away, are connected in such a way that they help us navigate our own planet. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, you'll know exactly where to find the pole star. You might think you know everything about the pole star now, but there are still some fun facts left to discover. So, let's dive into some lesser-known tidbits about this celestial beacon. First up, the pole star, also known as Polaris, is not a solitary star, but a part of a triple star system. That's right, it has two companion stars orbiting it. The primary star, Polaris A, is a supergiant 6 times larger than the Sun. Its two smaller companions, Polaris B and Polaris AB, were discovered in the 18th and 21st centuries respectively. Together they create a stellar family that's quite a spectacle in the cosmic neighborhood. Secondly, did you know that Polaris hasn't always been our pole star? And it won't always be. This is due to a phenomenon known as axial precession, a slow, wobbling motion of Earth's axis. Over a period of approximately 26,000 years, Earth's rotational axis makes a circular path, causing our view of the night sky to shift gradually. Thousands of years ago, the star Thuban in the constellation Draco was our pole star. In about 13,000 years, the bright star Vega will take up the mantle. Thirdly, Polaris is fainter than you might expect for a star of such significance. It's not even in the top 40 brightest stars in our night sky. Its fame comes not from its luminosity, but its location. It's nearly aligned with Earth's rotational axis, making it a consistent and reliable guide. Lastly, Polaris is getting brighter. Over the last century it has become nearly 2.5 times more luminous. Astronomers call this a Cepheid variable, a type of star that pulsates radially, varying in both temperature and diameter to produce changes in brightness over time. These fun facts show that the pole star is even more fascinating than you might have thought. Let's recap what we've learned about the pole star. This celestial body, also known as Polaris, is a fireball of luminous gas, positioned almost directly above the North Pole. Acting as a steadfast beacon, it has guided explorers and mariners throughout history. The significance of the pole star is deeply rooted in our past. It served as a compass before the invention of modern navigation tools. Ancient cultures revered it for its constancy and used it to mark the passage of time. In the grand tapestry of the night sky, the pole star holds a special place amidst the constellations. It's the brightest star in the Ursa Minor constellation, and it's the tail star of the Little Bear. Due to the Earth's axial precession, the pole star shifts over time. Thousands of years ago, Thuban in the Draco constellation held the title of the pole star. And let's not forget some intriguing facts about this stellar guide. It's not just one star but a triple star system, with 2 companion stars orbiting Polaris. Despite its prominence in our sky, it's not one of the brightest stars. It ranks only 50th in terms of brightness. Now, you're a pole star expert. Remember to look up and find this celestial guide the next time you're under the night sky.